In this presentation, I'm going to show you simple ways you can practice gratitude. Gratitude is an extremely powerful emotion, one that can improve your life in a variety of ways. Research indicates that regular gratitude practice not only boosts your mental well-being, but your physical health as well. Here are some simple ways you can make gratitude a part of your day. Keep a gratitude journal. Before you go to bed at night, sit down with a piece of paper and pen and write down everything that you are grateful for that day. These daily entries can be identical to or radically different from the previous entries. It doesn't matter. It's a physical manifestation of counting your blessings. You don't have to do this at the end of the day, but it can be done throughout the day as you complete your daily activities. Think about what you're grateful for before getting out of bed. This allows you to think about what you're grateful for without having to hunt down pen and paper. Remembering things that you are thankful for while you are still in bed will ensure that you wake up with a smile and keep that smile throughout the day. Say a little prayer. The term prayer is used loosely, but when you are presented with a gift that you are thankful for, take a moment to appreciate it by whispering a word of thanks. This can help you connect with the many blessings in real time and helps you learn to understand the source of those things. Perform a random act of kindness. Start to recognize how much you have by giving back to others. Not only will the random act of kindness make you feel good about yourself, but it will also provide you with a deeper connection to the positive energy that surrounds you. Random acts of kindness can help create the right energy that you are surrounded by. Appreciate the beautiful moments. When a moment strikes you as beautiful or pleasant, take a moment to stop and revel in it. Allow yourself to truly enjoy the feelings it brings you and appreciate even the smallest positive that the world has to offer you. Practicing gratitude helps to keep you grounded. It can help to calm your material instincts from today's society of instant gratification and materialism. It could remind you that you have the chance to live and be happy with who you are in the moment.